Hey coffee lovers, check out the ECORELAX Manual Coffee Grinder for precision grinding anywhere you go. This lightweight and compact device is ideal for travel, camping, or daily office use. Crafted with durable stainless steel burrs, it guarantees consistent grind sizes and long-lasting performance. You can easily adjust the settings for espresso or a French press. Operating without electricity, this user-friendly grinder saves money and reduces your carbon footprint. It is simple to disassemble and clean with minimal effort required. Enhance your brewing experience and enjoy fresh coffee every single day. Thank you for watching, and if you are interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel to never miss out on future useful product reviews.